Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple Redis check, and this tutorial is assuming that you already have Redis installed. So the first step is to click Add a New Check on your dashboard, and from there a menu will drop down with all the different types of checks on it. And Redis is under the database section of the menu. And a Redis check performs a custom command against your Redis server. And as you'll see later, the command Circonus uses is info, which gathers data such as CPU stats, memory stats, and other information pertaining to your Redis database. So for your broker, we're going to be using Ashburn, Virginia. However, keep in mind that I'm using a public broker, but public brokers usually cannot access your databases, so you'll probably be using an enterprise broker for this check. So then once you select your broker, you click Configure Check, and from there you need to enter in your host name. And your host name should be what Redis is running on. So I'm running Redis on Ubuntu with an Amazon Web Services EC2 instance. So I'm going to be copying the full EC2 Amazon instance into the host box. And then I'm going to be resolving it, and it's going to show you either the complete URL or the IP address. I'll just stick with the IP address, and then you can click Show Advanced Configuration. And here it shows you the command Circonus will be using, which as I said earlier is info, the database index, which generally by default users start on the 0 database, but if you changed it on Redis using the select command, then you should put whatever database you want to query against. There's the port that Circonus will be listening to, timeout, period, and then a password if Circonus will need one to access your Redis database. So then click Test Check, and if everything runs smoothly, then you'll be taken to the next page where you're given the option to rename your check, and you're shown all the metrics that your Redis check comes with. And then you can deselect any that you don't want or just keep all of them. And then after that, you just click Finish Check, and it will tell you that your new check has been created.